Tracking your forecast, I'm Chief Meteorologist Amber Sellens. We are tracking two storms that are going to merge into one, bringing rain and snow to Arizona by the end of the week. And out ahead of these storms, a lot of wind in the forecast over the next couple of days. Tomorrow, we're going to see wind advisories for the rim and all of eastern Arizona. And we will see gusts at 40 to 50 miles per hour in these areas, which is also leading to potential wildfire danger. So many of these same spots under red flag warnings on Thursday, with 40 to 50 mile per hour wind gusts and humidity levels at times in the single digits. Here in the valley, it's going to be dry tomorrow, some clouds in the morning, clearing in the afternoon, and nearly 15 degrees cooler tomorrow than where we ended up today. 81 in the forecast tomorrow also puts us about 5 degrees below normal as those winds pick up, gusting to 20, 25, even 30 miles per hour here in the Phoenix metro area. Then the rain and snow chances move in Friday and Saturday. For the valley, about a 30% chance for scattered showers, mainly Friday evening into early Saturday morning. Up to 1/10 of an inch of rain will be possible. And for the high country, the snow level looking a little bit lower in the model runs coming in today, now down to about 6,000 feet in elevation, with 1 to 3 inches of snow in the forecast above that level, including in Flagstaff. Here's your forecast tomorrow. 71 up in Carefree, 74 in Cave Creek, and 78 in Scottsdale. You'll see highs in the upper 70s to low 80s all across the East Valley and West Valley too. Again, several degrees below the average of 86 for this time of the year. And across the state, lows tonight dipping down into the mid-50s in Quartzsite and Yuma. 50s also in the forecast for Casa Grande and Tucson. Globe and Sedona right at 50 degrees, and Flagstaff briefly freezing at 31 overnight tonight. Here's your forecast tomorrow. 56 in Flagstaff, 60 in Heber, 62 in Show Low and Payson, and Prescott at 63 degrees. A big cool down across Arizona, and these temperatures will go even lower by Friday. Now, most of the day tomorrow is going to be dry, but notice 6 o'clock tomorrow evening, we start to bring in the chances for spotty showers into northwestern Arizona, up into the Grand Canyon late tomorrow night into early Friday morning, and then more chances in the forecast Friday into Saturday across the rest of the state as this storm system arrives. Phoenix will see highs in the upper 70s Friday and Saturday. We dry out just in time for Easter with a high of 86. Then we're back in the 90s early next week.